Good morning, everyone. This is your Nilofer ma'am. I hope you all are fine at your homes and your study is going well. So as you all know that we are doing the syllabus of internal assignment 3. Our subject is English grammar, and in today's video I will explain you worksheet 6, which is related to lesson 7. Topic of the lesson is agreement of subject and verb. So in the previous worksheet related to lesson 7, we have done one definition and one exercise related to the lesson, and in today's worksheet I will explain you the remaining exercises. So like always, before starting the work, you all have to mention today's date in your copies, that is 4 August 2021. With this you have to mention online classwork in your copies, and with this you have to mention lesson 7 in your copies. Now let's see the remaining exercises. Exercise B is rewrite the sentences by correcting the errors in subject verb agreement. So in the given sentences, errors are there in the agreement of subject and verb. So we have to make the correction in the agreement of subject and verb, and we have to rewrite the sentences after that. Now let's see the first sentence. Swimming and scuba diving are my hobbies. So here it is given are, but swimming and scuba diving is referring to one idea only, and because of it is will be there. So the correct sentence will be swimming and scuba diving is my hobbies, because when two separate subject refers to one idea only, so that time we use singular verb. Second sentence is either the doctor or the researcher are qualified to answer this question. So here you can see that the subjects are joined by either or, and that time we have to use the verb according to the closest subject, and the closest subject is researcher. So that's why the answer will be, correct sentence will be either the doctor or the researcher is qualified to answer these questions, because whenever two subjects are joined by either or, that time we have to use the verb according to the closest subject, and that's why we have used is here. Third sentence is not only Reeth but also his cousins is not in the garden. So here again the same rule will be applied, because Reeth is the subject and his cousins is the subject, and they both are joined with not only but also, and that time we have to use the verb according to the closest subject, and the closest subject is his cousins, and it is plural. According to it, are will be there. So the correct sentence will be not only Reeth but also his cousins are not in the garden. Fourth sentence is where are the basket of oranges. So here the subject is basket. So according to basket we have to use singular verb, that will be is. So the correct answer will be where is the basket of oranges. Fifth sentence is the members of the committee is trying to arrange an educational loan for the bright boy. So here the subject is the members of the committee. Committee is collective noun, but we are considering the subject the members of the committee. So that time we will consider the members as individuals. So that time according to members, plural verb should be there. So the correct sentence will be the members of the committee are trying to arrange an educational loan for the bright boy. Sixth sentence is some sugar need to be added to the custard to make it more tasty. The sentence is in present indefinite form, and the main subject is sugar, which is considered as singular always. So that time we have to use the singular verb, and that will be needs. So the correct sentence will be some sugar needs to be added to the custard to make it more tasty. Seventh sentence is sports are a wonderful break from the routine of academics. So here the rule will be applied, that is if a noun is ending with s, it doesn't mean that it will be considered as plural. So sports will be considered as singular, and according to singular subject there will be is. So the correct sentence will be sports is a wonderful break from the routine of academics. Next sentence is some of the books in the library is in a bad condition, and the subject is books. So according to books, here are must be there. So the correct sentence will be some of the books in the library are in a bad condition. Now let's see exercise C, that is fill in the blanks with the correct form of the given verbs. So some verbs are being given against the sentences, and we have to fill the correct form of the verb. First sentence is they dash going for a party now. So we have to fill the B form, that is am are, and according to they here must be are. So the sentence will be they are going for a party now. Second sentence is either he dash up his unhealthy lifestyle or dash the consequences the doctor said, and the verbs are give and suffer. So here we are giving suggestion to someone. We are talking about someone that either he will give up his unhealthy lifestyle or will suffer the consequences the doctor said. Third sentence is one of the mechanics dash to be blame for the short circuit. So here we are using be form, and that's why we have used was here, because mechanics is singular, because we are talking about one of the mechanics. Fourth sentence is the actor and poet dash been felicitated in his native town, and we have considered is plural subject because two subjects are joined by the conjunction and because of it we have used the plural verb, that is the actor and poet have been felicitated in his native town. Fifth sentence is mathematics dash taught by Mr. Pal in our school. So again the same rule will be applied. Mathematics is ending with s. It doesn't mean it will be considered as plural. It will be considered as singular, and here is will be there. Mathematics is taught by Mr. Pal in our school. Last sentence is rupees 2000 dash a large amount for many people. So here we have to fill the be form, that is are, and whenever any phrase, any word is referring about the money, so that time we have to use the singular verb, and here is will be there. Rupees 2000 is a large amount for many people. So these were some exercises related to lesson 7 which I have explained you. I hope everything is clear to all of you. If still any confusion is there, so you can ask me on the WhatsApp also. I'll meet you in the another explanation video. Till that, keep learning, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye everyone.